Boy, you know, Mr. Caviar Head, after seeing that film there about Okemos, I mean, last week we saw the film about Hazlitt, and it was okay. I mean, poor people, they're okay. But after seeing that film about Okemos, makes me want to rush right out and buy a $20 million house in Okemos.
It was excellent, wasn't it?
And pay those taxes.
You boys just hold it right there.
Uh-oh. Wait, there's a cop here. Wait a minute. You look like a policeman. This is terrible.
Boy, you might say that.
He's got a badge. He is a policeman.
Your name, Box?
Yeah, that's me, Sloucho Barks. I own this party store here. Now, I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. I got these two puppets here. They're obviously minors. But let me tell you, I wasn't selling them any alcohol.
I'm not a minor.
I'm not here about the alcohol, boy. I got a report about a man named Caviar Head.
Oh, that's him. Wait a minute. You're not regular police.
No.
You're the puppet police.
I'm the puppet police.
The puppet police. I read about you guys. You go around and look for illegal aliens taking the jobs away from American puppets.
And we have reason to believe this man's name's not Caviar Head at all.
Oh, no.
Man's name is
No.
Juan.
Your name is actually Juan?
I see. That is my name.
This is terrible.
Don't let them
Don't give me none of your lip, boy. We're taking this man in.
Oh, I'll help you out. I don't want any more Americans losing jobs. Here, stick that on there. And here.
Now, don't put up a fight, boy. You're coming in with me. Come along, boy.
Boy.
What the hell was that?
I don't know.
Right naked there, huh?
Wait a second. Who's this?
What? Oh, that's the Hound. He's from Hazlitt. You want to check him?
What's his name again?
Hazlitt Hound.
Yeah, that's me. I'm okay.
Hazlitt Hound.
I'm clean.
Is he, do you want him?
This is even worse, man.
No!
Wait, I'll
That's
capture him.
what we want, man. I'm also with the dairy police. This man's wanted in 7 states for illegal molesting cows. Wait a minute, boy. Isn't that a milk crate?
Yeah, you're right. That's the milk crate. We got a lot of them sitting around the store here.
Well, boy, I'm also with the dairy police.
No, wait a minute.
Don't know if you know this or not, but it's a federal offense to be using a milk crate for something other than milk. I'm afraid you're coming in with me, too.
Oh, no. The dairy police.
Got you, sluggo.
You come along with me quietly, boy. We won't have any trouble. This way.
Wait.
Come on, boy. Come along, boy. Don't give me your lip.
Wait a minute. We better take this milk crate along as evidence.
Take the milk crate as evidence. You're right.
Free! Viva la revolution! Hey!
The show is going downhill. Here, trick this. That's enough. Go to black.